Hey guys, so this is gonna be a tutorial about how to not suck at Sticknodes. So the first thing about Sticknodes that I pretty much sucked at the beginning was animating. That's what we all sucked at, like all the guys. I don't know. Look at this, and like there's so many places just to go to specific places here that can really help you. I didn't really see that, so my bad. I just didn't know where to get anything. So that was part of why it took me like a month to actually learn stuff about Sticknodes. Next thing is transitioning. I like to go on between basically any FPS really. This is basically transitioning. Like I would want to walk, but instead I'll just go phew, 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 woo. And I'll think this was okay. Then when it doesn't look good, I'll be like, what's going on? So like, you have to create a good walking cycle. Yeah. Bring this closer. You can't just leave. Now it looks more cringy. Now I just increase the FPS. And boom, you look highly fashionable. Come on. Extremely smooth and nice. Now, so you should always remember to do your inputs. And also, like, let's go back from where we started. This was basically where we started at first, kind of. So we just brought him back. We always have to go back, then front. And we eased, actually, did we? Yeah. Increase in speed. It kept on traveling. Wait, did I say traveling? We were on a bus or something. It kept on moving through longer distances. First it's small, then it gets bigger. Then it gets bigger, then it gets slightly bigger. Yeah. So we eased it. And also, we made it good. Next one, start people. Let's bring up